Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request signature in Adobe eSign. It's really simple and easy. So just open up your Adobe eSign account and on the home page itself, you would be able to find this option of request e-signatures. Just simply click on it and wait for it to load. After that, you need to enter the recipient's email address over here. Then you can type the agreement name and also type the message which is associated with this particular document. You can attach the file or the document over here, and in case if you want to add more than one recipient, then simply click on this option of add recipient group. You can also set the order of getting the signatures by just enabling this option, and this way you would also be able to get the signatures in a particular order. And that's pretty much it. That's how to request signatures in Adobe eSign. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.